morning to you all o'r Derbyn. Mrs Barry sydd yma, sut ydych chi? It's Mrs Barry here, and how are you all? We're really looking forward to seeing you. It's going to be a little bit different. Mae'n mynd I fod chydig bach yn wahanol, how you go into school, and it'll be very exciting. Mae'n gyffroes iawn. Felly, ni'n mynd I ddangos I chi, we're going to show you how it's done. Os chi'n edrych lawr fyna, drychwch, mae Miss Porter a Miss Blackmore yn aros amdano chi. They'll be waiting for you, Miss Porter and Miss Blackmore, with big smiles and looking forward to seeing you. Edrych ymlaen I weld chi fawr iawn. So parents, mi fydd y gatiau, the gates here will be locked. Okay, they'll be closed, and Mrs Evans will be standing, and myself will be standing near them. This is obviously for your safety and our safety. Rheswm ydy, rydyn ni eisiau cadw pawb yn ddiogel. Os gwelwch yn dda, os newch chi barcio yn y maes parcio, yn eich slot, sef 8:45 tan 9 o'r gloch. If you can please, and this is very important, parents, if you could please park in the car park where there are no cones, within your slot, which is 8:45 until 9 o'clock. Okay? What will happen then, I'll be stood here, and during your slot, I will say to the parents and to you, ac I chi blan bach, sydd yn gyffroes I ddod yn ôl, byddai'n dweud, Blant Billy Bala! Billy Bala children, dewch ato ni. Ac allan o'r ceir, neu os ydych chi'n cerdded yn ofalus, bydd dim rieni yn dod heibio'r gatiau. Mi fyddwn ni'n gofyn I Miss Hodges I fod gyda chi y pen yma i'ch helpu chi a rai o'r cynorthwywyr. No parent will come past the gate, but we will have some of the teaching assistants to help with the little ones, guiding them from a distance. Wrth bod nhw'n cerdded, byddwn ni'n gofyn iddyn nhw, and we will help them from afar, to stand on the exit. Okay? I sefyll ar y croes sydd ar y llawr. Dyna'n gyffroes, bach Billy Bala, dwi'n mynd am mop. Ac yna, unwaith maen nhw yna, mi fydd Miss Porter yn mynd â'ch plant bach I fewn i'r ysgol am ddiwrnod llawn hwyl. Once they are there, Miss Porter will take your children into the reception area for a fabulous day of fun. Ac yna, byddwn ni'n gofyn am Jemima mop. Plant bach Jemima mop I wneud yr un peth. Mae eich plant yn gallu wneud llawer o bethau clyfar iawn, ac bydden nhw'n hollol iawn yn wneud hwn gyda'n help ni. Your children are very clever, and they will be able to do this with our help from a distance. Therefore, Miss Blackmore will be waiting for them, bydd hi'n aros amdanyn nhw. Bydden nhw'n sefyll ar y croes, with some of the teaching assistants helping. Unwaith maen nhw ar y croes, bydd Miss Blackmore yn mynd â nhw am ddiwrnod llond hwyl. Miss Blackmore will take them too for a day full of fun in reception. Felly, off â chi, hwyl fawr! And at the end of the day, at ddiwedd y dydd, it will be exactly the same. Your children will come out to exactly where they have gone in the morning. You do not need to come past the car park. We will make sure your children are safe. There is no buses. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl fawr, welwch chi wrth nesaf.
Helo Billy Bala! Nawr rydych chi'n gwybod sut I dod mewn i'r ysgol, mae'n amser I ni ddangos I chi beth byddwch chi'n gwneud yn y dosbarth. Now that you know how to come into school, it's time for us to show you what you do when you're in the classroom. Mae Miss Blackmore yma, Miss Blackmore is here, a mae hi'n mynd I fod yn achos mae hi'n mynd i wneud pob peth rydych chi angen wneud. She's going to do everything that you need to do. Felly, bant ni. Cofiwch chi gadw 2 fetr rhwngdych chi. Remember to keep your 2 metres. A nawr rydyn ni wrth y drws a chi'n stopio fyna. Mae Miss Porter yn mynd mewn gyntaf. Miss Porter's going to go in first, a mae hi'n mynd i defnyddio'r diheintydd dwylo, the hand sanitizer, a wedyn mae'n tro chi. Wedyn rydych chi'n dod mewn un ar y tro, one at a time, a rydych chi'n mynd i defnyddio'r diheintydd dwylo, the hand sanitizer. Nawr mae Miss Blackmore yn mynd i roi ei bag a cot ar y peg. Mae hi'n mynd syth mewn, roi bag a cot ar y bachgen. She's put in her coat and her bag on the peg. And now, mae'n amser i ddigo chi dwylo. She has to go and wash her hands. Nawr mae Miss Blackmore wedi golchi'n dwylo. Mae'n amser i chi i fynd i'r ardal pan hyn i chwarae. Miss Blackmore's now washed her hands, and now she is ready to go to that space to play. We've got lots of different fun areas still for you to enjoy in school. Llawer o ardaloedd hwyl i chi chwarae gyda. Mae yna anifeiliaid fan hyn, chi'n gallu creu llun draw fan hyn. A hefyd, as well, you've got to have your very own cat, pecyn eich hun. Bydd pensiliau, rwbr a phapur fan hyn i chi chwarae gyda. Rydyn ni'n edrych ymlaen yn fawr iawn i weld chi. We're looking forward so much to seeing you, a byddwn ni'n gweld chi cyn bo hir.
Mae gyda ni'r ardal allanol hefyd. We've got the outside area as well. Ond dyn ni'n lwcus iawn. We are very lucky. Mae gyda ni'r ardal yma. We have this area. A mae gyda ni'r ardal ganol. We have the middle area. Na i ddangos chi mewn munud. I'll show you in a minute. Mae gyda ni'r beicio, we got the bikes, mae gyda ni'r blociau, the blocks, shop. Hefyd, ar ôl i ni chwarae gyda'r teganau yma, mi ydyn ni'n mynd i golchi nhw. Mae fi a Miss Porter a phawb yn mynd i golchi nhw. We will regularly be washing all the toys outside as well as inside hefyd, i gadw chi'n ddiogel, to keep you safe and happy. Reit, dyn ni nawr yn mynd i'r ardal ganol. Cyn i ni anghofio, ni'n mynd trwy drws. We're going through a door. Mae angen defnyddio y diheintydd dwylo. So dyma Miss Blackmore yn dangos. A dyma lle ni'n cadw y diheintydd dwylo. This is where we keep it. So dyma ni, mae angen cofio. We need to remember. I gadw chi'n ddiogel, to keep you safe. Dyma ni. We have lines on the floor. A mae rai i ddangos i chi, these to show you, i gadw 2 fetr i ffwrdd, to keep 2 metre distance. A dyma'r arrow, this is the arrow. Mae angen ni gerdded y ffordd yma, we need to walk this way. A dyma'r ardal allanol, yr ardal ganol. Felly, mi fydd Jemima Mop a Pili Pala yn neud swaps. So efallai fydd Jemima Mop fan hyn, maybe Jemima Mop will be here, and Pili Pala will be outside, and then we will swap. So everyone will have a chance. Mi fydd pawb yn cael siawns yn yr ardal allanol ac yn yr ardal ganol.
Bore da, Jemima Mop, Miss Blackmore sy'n yma. Fi mor gyffroes i gael chi nôl yn yr ysgol. Nawr chi'n gwybod fel chi'n dod mewn i'r ysgol, mae Miss Blackmore i ddangos i chi fel ydyn ni'n mynd mewn i'r dosbarth. Good morning, Jemima Mop. Miss Blackmore is here. Now you know how to come into school because you are so fantastic. Miss Blackmore is going to show you how to go to your class. And Miss Porter is going to show you, okay? Remember to keep 2 metre distance. Cofiwch i gadw 2 fetr rhwngddo chi. Bant a ni! Dyma ni hyn, here we go. And you see jumping in, pob bore, like we do every morning. Cofiwch y 2 fetr, remember the 2 metres. Dyma ni. And Miss Blackmore yn dweud, stop! I said stop. So fan hyn, ni ydych chi yn mynd i defnyddio eich diheintydd dwylo
sure you are safe. Rwbiwch eich dwylo fel hyn. Wash your hands like this. Un ar y tro, one at a time. A fydd Miss Porter yn dangos nawr. Dyma ni. Dyma Miss Porter nawr yn golchi ei dwylo. Here is Miss Porter now using the hand sanitizer. Da iawn, Miss Porter. A wedyn mae Miss Porter yn mynd syth nawr i'r cyntaf. She's going to the cloakroom to put her coat and bag on the peg. And rhoi cot a bag ar y peg. O, da iawn Miss Porter, well done Miss Porter. Wedyn ni, mae Miss Porter nawr angen golchi ei dwylo. She needs to wash her hands. Felly Miss Porter yn mynd i'r tŷ bach. She's going to the toilet i olchi ei dwylo to wash her hands. Dyma Miss Porter nawr yn mynd i'r ardal. Here's Miss Porter now going to her area. Ni'n gallu ysgrifennu enw, write your name. Mae gyda ni anifeiliaid, we've got animals. We can do a picture, llun. A mae peti gyda chi, you've got your own pack. Gyda pensiliau, rwbl, a chi sydd i'r pack. That's your pack. Rydw i'n edrych ymlaen i weld pawb ar ddydd llun. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody Monday. Hwyl fawr!
Mae gyda ni'r ardal allanol hefyd. We've got the outside area as well. Ond yn ni'n lwcus iawn, we are very lucky. Mae gyda ni'r ardal yma, we have this area. A mae gyda ni'r ardal ganol, we have the middle area. Na i ddangos chi mewn munud, I'll show you in a minute. Mae gyda ni'r beiciau, we got the bikes, mae gyda ni'r blociau, the blocks, shop. Hefyd, ar ôl i ni chwarae gyda'r teganau yma, mi ydyn ni'n mynd i golchi nhw. Mae fi a Miss Porter a phawb yn mynd i golchi nhw. We will regularly be washing all the toys outside as well as inside hefyd. I gadw chi'n ddiogel, to keep you safe and happy. Reit, dyn ni nawr yn mynd i'r ardal ganol. O, cyn i ni anghofio, ni'n mynd trwy drws. We're going through a door. Mae angen defnyddio y diheintydd dwylo. So dyma Miss Blackmore yn dangos. A dyma lle ni'n cadw y diheintydd dwylo. This is where we keep it. So dyma ni, mae angen cofio. You need to remember. I gadw chi'n ddiogel, to keep you safe. Dyma ni. We have lines on the floor. A mae rai i ddangos i chi, these to show you i gadw 2 fetr i ffwrdd, to keep 2 metre distance. A dyma'r arrow, this is the arrow. Mae angen ni gerdded y ffordd yma, we need to walk this way. A dyma'r ardal allanol, yr ardal ganol. Felly, mi fydd Jemima Mop a Pili Pala yn neud swaps. So efallai fydd Jemima Mop fan hyn, maybe Jemima Mop will be here, and Pili Pala will be outside, and then we will swap. So everyone will have a chance. Mi fydd pawb yn cael siawns yn yr ardal allanol ac yn yr ardal ganol.